All right, guys, I wanted to kind of make this video here to recap the day today and what happened and how it played out. So, very interesting enough, we were in a downtrend for quite some time on the 6 hour time frame, basically for the start of the year on the 6 hour time frame. And very abruptly today, instead of coming with a lower low, we actually created a lower high followed by a higher high with a bullish engulfing candle. So for those traders that like to hold their positions for a little bit longer, this presented a golden opportunity to go into longs today. You could have got into a long position right at 9 a.m., right when this candle closed. At 9 a.m., you could have got right into it, and you basically could have held it the rest of the day. This candle was so strong, it basically provided us with a ton of information in regards to how much the buyers are in control of this market. We got a lower high, a higher high, and a bullish engulfing all in the same candle. That's huge. That's a huge trend change confirmation right there on the 6 hour time frame. Now, going to the daily time frame, one could argue that we're in a downtrend kind of, but I would argue and say that we're a little bit sideways right now because we did break our previous lows. Okay, on Friday on Friday we broke our lows, which was right here, 4749. We broke past that. We broke past that, creating a new low, which is unusual. And by the looks of it, one of two things are going to happen tomorrow. Either we're going to continue to go up and create a higher high, or we're going to sell off, make a higher low, and go for a lower low on the daily time frame. Which one? Based on what I'm seeing right now, I do think we're going to go probably for a higher high on the daily time frame, just based off what I'm seeing in the 6 hour. The 6 hour had a complete trend change confirmation from bearish to bullish, and on the 6 hour time frame, the buyers are in control of this market. So on the daily time frame, I can only assume that it would correlate to some extent, and we might get a higher high tomorrow, but it is also possible that we get a higher low followed by a lower low on the daily time frame. That is a possibility. So today was a very nice day for trading. Very, very nice day for trading. So I'm going to show you the 1 hour time frame for SPY. So as you can see on SPY, we've been following this beautiful downtrend on the 1 hour for like 2 weeks now. Beautiful downtrend, beautiful lower lows, higher lows, very easy trading conditions. Today, we abruptly broke out of this range, and instead of making a higher low and then a lower low, we actually just went for a lower low on the previous trading day and then went straight into a higher high, and it did not stop. The higher high just continued to go higher and higher and higher and higher. And as of now, this right here is our higher high. So it was a $6 move with zero pullback. Zero pullback on the 1 hour time frame today. Zero. So on the 15-minute time frame, lots of entries could have been made today. So once we had that break, this was on the Friday, right? We got that trend change confirmation from bearish to bullish, with a lower high, higher high, and a bullish engulfing, and then continuation to the upside. And all day today, the 15-minute time frame held its structure the entire day. Not once did we get any bearish price action on the 50-minute time frame. It was bullish the entire day. Zero bearishness at all on the 50-minute time frame. So once this 1 hour candle opened up, as soon as the candle opened up at 6:30, because it gapped up and opened above our previous highs, this essentially was our higher high. And this basically suggested to us that the trend has now changed and we're potentially in a bullish market on the 1 hour time frame, and we could see some buyers and some buying pressure step into the market. So basically, as soon as this candle opened up, I immediately was looking to get into longs, but I was looking for some kind of confirmation. Obviously, the 1 hour candle didn't give me anything. That candle doesn't close till 7:30. So at 6:30, I was looking for confirmation. So I really didn't see anything good to take until exactly at 7:30. So believe it or not, 7:30 it was the first really good time that you could have got into a trade. We had this slight pullback on the 15-minute time frame, followed by continuation with the bullish engulfing. You could have gone into a beautiful trade right at 7:30. That provided a great entry. Your first profit target could have been right here, 470.77, which is a daily support level or a resistance level now. And then we broke past that. We pulled back, broke up again, created another lower high followed by a higher high again. You could have got into another trade at 9:45. Your profit target could have been 472, followed by 472.60, followed by 473.63. If you missed that trade at 9:30, you could have got into it at 10:30. No big deal. At 10:30, we had a pullback, and then at 10:30, we created another lower high, followed by a higher high as well with the bullish engulfing. So you could have got into a trade right at 10:45. You could have got into one at 9:30. Sorry, 9:45, 10:45. You could have got into one at 8:30 and also one at 7:30. So 4 entries today, 4 great entries today on the 50-minute time frame that you could have got into. I'll repeat that again. One at 7:30, one here at 8:30, another one here at 9:45, another beautiful one here at 10:45. And if you're a real degenerate, you could have also got into one right here at 12:30. Very nice price action here as well. Another pullback with some more continuation here. Nice higher low, or sorry, lower high with a huge wick from above showing strength, and then continuation. Very, very nice price action. So technically 5 possible trades that you could have taken today. I actually ended up only taking 2. The first one was right here. So at 7:30, I got into my first trade, and what happened was I had my first profit target set at this daily resistance level, and I actually completely exited everything at this level right here. Then once we broke past that, I decided to get into another trade right at 9:45, given that we broke past the resistance level. We pulled back, created a lower high, followed by a higher high in the bullish engulfing. I was interested to get back in, so at 9:45, I got back in, and I basically held my position the rest of the day. So my first profit target was 472. Second one was 472.60, and then my third and final profit target was 473.63. I did not take advantage of that last move there, that last trade. But I did hit all 3 profit targets on that second trade. That was a huge move. That was a monster move. That was unbelievable, the percentage that it gave me. Super nice trade there. This one was kind of small, but still, a green trade's a green trade. Very good. So 5 possible trades that you could have taken today, all really, really well. QQQ was significantly stronger on the day, which I do believe helped with the buying pressure. Now, with that being said, the 1 hour time frame is very extended. We're definitely in need of some sort of pullback on the 1 hour time frame. We need a lower high on the 1 hour time frame before we can make another higher high. So if we do stay in this trend structure that we're currently in going into the session tomorrow, I definitely will be looking to get into longs again, right? But what I want to see first is I want to see a pullback on the 1 hour time frame, right? I want to see a lower high followed by some continuation to the upside, and then I'll trade that higher high, and I'll go for those higher highs on the 1 hour, and I'll get into longs for sure. But I do want to see a pullback, and I do want to see a lower high first before we get into that long play. But there is also a possibility, as mentioned previously, there is also a possibility that the 6 hour time frame on ES looks really good. It looks very bullish, but there is a possibility that on the daily time frame we do in fact create a higher low and we come down for a lower low. That is a possibility, so we have to be patient and wait and see. On the weekly time frame, as of right now, it looks like what we're creating, and obviously today is only Monday, so we still have 4 more days, so anything can happen. But by the looks of it, the weekly time frame is going to create our first lower high since October. And if that's the case, right, and we close this week with a bullish engulfing candle, I will most likely get into swings, and I will ride these swings probably for the remainder of the month. and my profit target is going to be 5,000 on the futures. So that'll be a monster trade, and that's something that I'll be looking at taking, provided that this price action, finalizes on Friday the way that I want it to. So with that being said, obviously if that happens, I will let you guys know so you can take advantage of that. That'll be a monster trade, but we have to be patient. This candle still has 4 days to close, so anything can happen in 4 days. So that being said, guys, I hope that kind of helped recap the day. Today was a great day for trading. We had 5 opportunities to take trades, and we potentially have a beautiful swing trade setting itself up as well this week. So we'll keep in touch, and we'll see exactly if that plans out or not. So with that being said, guys, you have a great night and take care.